I am Aman and we are solving LeetCode problem. So today we are again solving the one of the basic and easy LeetCode problem, that is question number 14, longest common prefix. What it's mean? So the longest common prefix is like LCP problem involving finding the largest string that is the prefix of all the given array. Let's see the question in the question only. What the question exactly says, like here question is write a function to find the longest common prefix string among an array of strings. Okay, if there is no common prefix, return an empty string, like only this double quoted, like there is no strings are matching. So basically in the question what it says, like we have a array. What type of array? Array of strings. In the array there are storing the string variables of different types or different names, where we have to match the longest common prefix string, means the letter that is common to the all element of a string in the given array. We have to return that. So let's go to the example. What is it exactly? So we are going to see here input strings strs are flower, flow and fight. We have three elements of the string that is stored in this array. Okay, so basically these are the three string which we have. Okay, so in this we have to find the largest common prefix. Prefix, what do you understand by prefix? Prefix nothing but from the starting elements, what are the common, we have to return that. Okay, and suffix means you know already, from the back side. Okay, so we have to print the common prefix among all this array of a string. Okay, so here we see the first letter F. F. Let's see, I'm going to give you giving an example through indexes. Okay, 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 3 4 and 5. Okay, 0 1 2 3. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so these are having 5 elements, 6 element and 4 element. Okay, मतलब size of, इसमें size of string is 6 4 and 6. What are the common strings among all? By the prefix common, means prefix commons are, suppose we are checking from index 0, 0 having first array of string is flower, flower having F, flow having F and flight having F. So here one element is matched of 0 index F F F. This is present among all, so we take from here F. Okay, again we are doing I plus plus to the all string, or checking the next character of the string is L. L is in flower, L is in flow, L is in flight, so we take L also. If we go forward, what is the next element? Flow. Flower having O matched, flow having O matched, but in case of flight there is I, so there is no common factors or the no common element in the next character of each array of string. So here we print the output as FL. This is the common among all. If we see in the next input example, So here this in this input example we see like a string having dog, race car and car. These are the three characters or the three string that is present in this array having no common prefix character to get that there is any common prefix. No, because dog having D from starting, race car having R starting, car having C starting, so there is no element common in that. So simply we are returning empty. Empty means there is no common string, that's why we are returning null. Okay, let's see. I'm through the theory part how we can implement this. Okay, so yeah, here, yeah, sorry. So here in this problem I'm going to tell you in simple word. We have a list of word. Okay, we need to find all the word start with in a common, like whatever I said you previously. If nothing common, return simply null. Okay, for example we have flower, flow, flight, all having starting with fl. Okay, after that there is no matching, so we are return only fl. In the next example, dog, race car and car, there is nothing common, so we return simply null. Okay, think how we can do this problem. Take the first word flower, compare its letter one by one with the same position in all other words. Okay, I think you understand by reading this. I'm reading. So just by taking the first word, that is flower, and we are comparing their characters one by one to the all other word with their positions. If it is match, keep going. Okay, if a mismatch happen, we just stop and return whatever the matched so far, like here fl. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the implementation part. Before that, from this example you can see flower. I already tell you first letter f is matched in all over, then we take f. In the second letter l is also matched, so we take l. In the next letter o, the up to second is matched but not matched with the third word, that is flight. In that the third word is I, which are not matched, so simply we have to return fl. How we can implement this? If an array is empty, we have to just return null or the empty string. Okay, otherwise we have to pick the first word and iterate the loop through the each letter in that word. Okay, we have to just checking whether this word is matched to the other word is not. Okay, so for each letter index, check all the other words. If any word ends or the letter is different, we have to return the previous prefix whatever it's matched. Okay, that previous, like here we have previously fll is only matched, in the third character I is not matched with the o, so we are simply written fl. If the loop ends and the whole first word is the prefix, then it's fine, it's mean characters are similar. Okay, let's see their code how we can do this. Here the implementation of code is like what I have tell you, like if the string is null or the string length is 0, then we have to simply return null. Okay, otherwise we have to check with the first string from index 0 to their length of string. Okay, so if I equals to 0, by the first length of the array or the string, and do I plus plus, where whenever the first character at I is matched to the another character of I, then we can proceed next. Otherwise we will just return null whatever I said. So from here you can see, like I equals to str of I is str I equals less than equals to str of I dot length. Okay, if str of j dot character at I is not equals to c is what here the first character. So if not match, simply return the first substring 0 to I. Okay, otherwise just return the first one if all the data is matched. Okay, if not matched, just simply return null here. Means return first mean all characters are matched. That's the basic condition, you know. If all characters are matched, then it will return the first. Suppose we have a string having all the string having flower flower flower, so what it will be return? Flower only, because all the character is matched. So let's see their implementation in LeetCode, how we can write the code for this. Okay, so writing the code, like checking the condition first. If a string, okay, a string equals to if we have null or str of 0. Okay, equals to 0, simply we have to return empty set or empty value. Okay, otherwise we are checking string first equals to a strings of 0 at from character starting 0. Okay, for int I equals to 0, I will be less than 1. Oh, I am getting some injury. So here I am doing is skipping the writing part. This is the code that I have written for you, and I already here explained by their comments how we can implement this. Like the first line, what why we written this, to see the string having element or not. If the string is null, simply we have to return null. If the string length is null, also it will give empty set. Okay, and we are initializing the first character by by their index 0, and go through the character first. Okay, first character of the string and match all over the given set of characters. If it is matched, we can just proceed to the next character. If the next character is not matched to the in the another word, like here o is matched in this two character, but here is o not available, so simply we are returning up to fl. This means whatever the previous character, we have to return up to that. Okay, so simply go through the each character in the first string by this loop, and we are checking the through the first character. Currently we are in first string. Okay, comparing this character with the same index in all other string. Okay, we are just comparing one by one to the all given string, and if matched, we are just move to the forward or for the next character whether it is matched or not. Okay, so here we are checking with the j equals to 1, and j will be less than equals to a string length. Okay, or the str length, whatever here is given to the string. Okay, so if the string is too short or matched found, we are simply return everything before the matched. If some characters are not matched, we are returning everything whatever before matched in the given string. Okay, just we are returning first string substring from 0 to I, means whatever the character is matched from 0 to the index I, like here 0 and 1, up to 0 and 1 only character is matched. Suppose we have characters like R U L sorry, EAYU, Ayushi, AYU, SH, Ayus, and RN. Okay, I'm writing these things. Okay, so simply we have to check up to which the character is matched: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here is 5 character, here is 6 character, and here is 7 character. We are going to match to, up to which it is matched in the, or the given character is matched. Okay, with the longest common prefix we have to find here basically. So checking the index 0, index 0 is available all over the element, so A is matched. Again 0, at index 0 is A matched. Okay, again A is matched, Y is matched. After that, here we can see in Ayushi AAY is available. After that, U is the next character. It's mean 0, 1, 2, up to 2 is matched. Third one is what we have, U, but in case the third character RN having A, but what we have previously, U, A and U are not matched. Okay, A U is not equals to A, that is why we are return the element up to 0 to 3 only. Okay, means only, no, 0 to 2, only 0 to 2 character is matched. I think you understand what I am trying to say. So thank you for watching this, the easiest LeetCode problem. Okay, I think you understood. So I comment out the below one, commit it. Now check whether the code is correct or not. Oh, there is some issue. Okay, I have to close it also. Just run it. Check whether the all the test cases are passed or not. So here we can see all the test case is passed. Just submit it and check what we get exactly here. Okay, we got it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand this. easiest LeetCode problem, the largest common prefix. I tell you all the basic things what we have to do exactly here. So thank you for watching my video. Keep learning and explore the best coding and do coding daily exactly. That's very important for the every coder. Okay then, thank you.